Did you ever heard about WinRAR? Do you know what it is? It's powerful compression, archiving and archive managing software. In this, users can compress or archive multiple electronic files into single or smaller size folders, which normally people use to avoid high file size headaches. I would highly recommend it to use it because it's useful and you should use it. So let's see how to download and install WinRAR. Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are fine and well. Those watching me first time, I'm 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐻 from 𝐒𝐨𝐜𝐢𝐴𝐻 YouTube channel, back again with the new video. In this video, I will show you guys how to download and install WinRAR. I know it's so boring to hear me like that, so I'm gonna show you guys quickly. But I want to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. From now, this is gonna be my permanent background of the video. So if you like previous one videos, then please let me know in the comment section below. Let's jump into my screen to see how it works.
Okay, I already found it. It's latest WinRAR version 64-bit in English. Please check out the video description below to get this link. Just click here and it will ask for a save location. I'll make a folder here. Click save. Here they guided step by step how to install. I will close it because I'm gonna show you guys practically. By the way, you guys can download any WinRAR from here, whichever suits your computer. It's available here in multiple languages. You can download anyone. Just click and you will ask for a save location, like that. Now let's see how to install it. I'm using Windows 10, but this installation process is also same for later Windows versions. Click show in folder. Right click. Click run as administrator. Here you guys can save it in your desired location. Just click browse if you want to change location. I don't want to change the location, so I'll just leave it as it is. Click install, click OK, click done. That's it. It has been installed. Now you can use it to compress files or you can use it to add files in archive.
I hope you guys did like this informative how-to video. If yes, then please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.